In this lesson, we will create one more visualization and we will answer another question. We want to know which organization has lost maximum number of its journalists worldwide in last 5 years. Okay, so let's do that. Click on visualize. Okay, and let's make this a pie chart. Okay, and we want a new search and our index will be mortality. Okay, so as of now it is showing all the records, but we want to split them based on the organizations. Okay, so slice size will be count, that's fine. Next is we need to split it. Okay, so we'll take the split slices, and here we need to change it to terms, and the field on which we want it to be split on is the organization. Okay, and we want top 10, so let's increase this number, and we want ordered by count. Okay, let's run this one. So here you can see it has already plotted all the information based on the organizations. Okay, let's tweak it a little bit more. Okay, and we can go to options, and I want it to be donut type. Okay, let's run this. Okay. So now you can see Kibana has plotted all the organizations in the order of the organization having maximum number of its journalists killed at the top, and so on and so forth. Okay, and we also change the type of the chart. Earlier we had created a histogram chart, now this is pie, and also within pie chart we change it to a donut type. Okay, so this is it. As you see, it's very easy to plot and create visualizations in Kibana. Now let's save this and we'll say mortality, just name it donut chart. Okay, all right, so it's created. In next class I'll show you how to create dashboards using the visualizations we just added. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class.